Hi loves, so welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then welcome. So today's tutorial is on this eye look right here. This eye look is actually not an exact, but it's a recreation of another YouTube artist. Her name is, I believe this is how you pronounce her name, but Anais Rivera. If I pronounce your name wrong, I am sorry, but I think that's how it sounds to me. So yes, version of her olive green half cut crease. So she posted it, I fell in love with it, so I decided to recreate the look. So as of course I'm giving all the credit to her because this was her original eye look. If you guys, obviously you could see this is how the what do you call it, this is how the look looks. Yellow liner, green eyeshadow, yellow, and kind of like I used raw sienna. She uses Paper Tiger, the ColourPop shadow singer. I didn't have that one, so I improvised with raw sienna. It kind of looks close. Also just did a mauve lip color just like she did. If you guys want to see how I did this tutorial, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Start with the Take Me to Brazil palette. This yellow color right here with a Wet n Wild blending brush. We're just gonna pat this color all over a crease. Next color, Raw Sienna from the Modern Renaissance palette with a BH Cosmetics, I think this is like a defined blending brush. This color right in the crease. And we want to make sure that that yellow is still there. So if you covered the yellow shade, don't worry about it. Just go ahead and take the previous brush that you had with no new product on it and just kind of swipe back and forth. We're tapping motions, and we're just gonna take a random fluffy blending brush just to make sure that there's no harshness and that these two colors blend together. BH blending brush, and we're going to be taking this green shade right here, put it right below the raw sienna shade. We don't want to cover that shade. And now with a flat concealer brush, this is an NYX concealer brush, beautiful coverage liquid concealer, and just put some on the brush. And the reason I use this concealer is because it seems like it's like not so oily or wet as other concealers like Fit Me or the NYX concealer or any other concealer. Okay, so now that we cut the crease, we're just kind of gonna drag out the sides with your finger. BH Cosmetics flat concealer brush. We are going to take from the Carli Bybel palette this nude shade right here, as well as this white shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. We're gonna kind of just mix those shades to use to set the lid. Okay, and now we're gonna go back with that blending brush we used with that green shade that we used to put around the lid, and just blend it into the corner. I'm going to be taking the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I'm gonna take the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner. My Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Okay, Lilly lashes for the Sephora collection in the style London, and this is what they look like. Paris Infallible Matte, Pro Matte, whatever it's called, in the color 102 Shell Beige. I think this is like the first foundation I bought that like actually matches my skin tone. Real Techniques beauty sponge to apply the foundation. Using the Anastasia and Amrezy highlight. A e.l.f. blending brush to apply the highlight on the high points of my face. You guys see that? Bam. It's so pretty. I'm so obsessed with this highlight. Going to highlight the nose, the bridge of the nose, and the Cupid's bow. Okay, so now that the bottom lash line is smoked out and there's mascara, what we are going to do is I'm going to take this Buxom lip liner in the color Dolly Danger to line my lips with.